Massive relief for Finance Minister P. Chidambaram after the special CBI court and Justice Saini's order. Now the Supreme Court also upholds the same verdict, dismissing the plea of Subramaniam Swamy, saying that there is no criminal conspiracy on behalf of Finance Minister P. Chidambaram. Information just coming in that Chidambaram will not face any criminal conspiracy as far as the 2G Spectrum scam case is concerned. The court has been hearing this matter for some time and the court's observations also were that mere attending of meetings that were held in regard of the 2G spectrum allocations cannot be seen as something that makes Mr. Chidambaram liable for criminal conspiracy, and that is the verdict that has come out from the Supreme Court. So huge relief for Finance Minister P. Chidambaram, the court rejecting the plea by Dr. Subramaniam Swamy and Prashant Bhushan, saying that there is no criminal conspiracy on the part of Finance Minister Mr. P. Chidambaram. Meenakshi, what are the details in the order that has just been read out by Justice Radhakrishnan?
Yes, absolutely, Navika. This is an order which has been written by Justice Radhakrishnan bench, comprising Justice Radhakrishnan and Justice Singhvi, were seized of the matter, and this was of critical import. I mean, Subramaniam Swamy and Prashant Bhushan had a lot of hopes hinging on it. What we are bringing to you are real-life observations that have been pronounced moments back, Navika. This is the operative part of the order. Details of the judgment are still awaited, but this is sufficient to give us an insight into how the bench really perceived of the entire pleas that were placed before it. And what I can safely tell you is this, Navika, that clearly the Supreme Court has said that after considering all the material on record, there is no deliberate act on part of P. Chidambaram that is established.